Hey guys, Kyle here. I just picked up a new rifle from my local FFL that I ordered through these guys, Palmetto State Armory. It's an old cosmoline covered CNR rifle. I'm sure you'll recognize it as I open the box. I did open the box and inspect it a little bit at the FFL. But we'll go through it together here. Figured I'd do an unboxing video. Now this is a Type 56 SKS that appears to be in pretty good condition overall. There's definitely some marks on the stock from it being jostled around all these years. There's some damage there, and some nicks here, but overall, everything is, all the metal is really nice. Bluing is all still good, and barrel looks great. Spiker bayonet looks good. And so let's see, this would be, let's check out the serial number. I believe this was made at Arsenal 26. If I can get all the cosmoline off here. Yeah, looks like a 26 there in the triangle. So that would be Arsenal 26. Looks like we got a serial number 123022297. So I believe I'll have to look at the information online, but I believe this would put this in the late 50s, 58, 59 maybe. I'll have to go back and look. But let's see here. So 2297 there. I believe I've seen that on the stock as well. Somewhere. 2297. Okay, so the stock is correct. Let's see here. 2297 on the box mag. 2297 on the receiver trigger guard. Let's see where else. Okay, on the bolt. 2297. So it looks to be an all matching serials gun, which is good. It's always nice to see. All original parts. Yeah, the stock is a little chewed up, but it should clean up okay. It's always good to have a little bit of character in these old rifles. And overall, it's in pretty good shape. So, but yeah, quick overview of the new SKS, new to me SKS. My first CNR rifle. So I'm pretty excited about cleaning it up and shooting it a little bit. Should be a fun little rifle. I'll post another video after I get it all cleaned up and do a little before and after video here. But yeah, so far pretty happy. I wonder, it doesn't look like it's got a cleaning kit in there. Looks pretty empty. So, but those are easy enough to acquire. So yeah, that's it guys. Type 56 SKS from Palmetto State Armory. Overall, I'd say I got a pretty good one here. Alright guys, thanks for watching.